Today I'm going to be installing fog lights or driver's lights on my 1997 Mazda Protégé. These lights that you see here have been blown out. Now it's going to be an easy fix because I already have the main wires hooked up to the automobile, and I just have to disconnect that and then put in new. That's how they look. Here they are. So that's all I'm going to install. This part down here, the wiring and all that, I don't even need it. I already have it hooked up to the automobile. So that way I have the new lights put on and I'll install it. If you don't like to drill or put holes in your vehicle or make it seem like it's going to be difficult, watch this video. These are the new lights. I'm going to hook them up right now and see if they turn on. There you go. I just turned the lights on, hooked it up, and they do work. So now I'm going to install them. Take the old housing off the old one and put it with the new. Clean it up. Polish and rubbing alcohol on this point, and you'll see why. As you can see, cleaned it up real good. I cleaned it up, polished it, and rubbing alcohol on it also. So now I'm going to install it. Yes, you're correct. I could have put the new ones on, but these are still serviceable. There's nothing wrong with these brackets. So I'm going to reuse the brackets that I have for the LED lights. Put it in through here. Close this up a little bit so that way it'll catch. Put it through here. And now I'm going to install the lights. This is what I'm going to use right here, the 3M molding tape. I doubled the adhesiveness. I put 2 layers of it so it's flush, as you can see. So when I put it on, it'll be flush and it will work perfectly. You can see this is only 1 layer, so I'll put the other one on. There you go, 2 layers of the adhesive tape, 2 layers of it. This is the bottom view of it, and then that's how I lined it up. When I installed it, lined it up with this right here. Stuck it out a little bit, so this part also could reflect the ground. And that's how it looks from the bottom. Same as the passenger side. Lined it up with this right here. Stuck it out just far enough so this could reflect. And this is just with the fog lights alone turned on. Thank you for watching.